serving MREs. It's what our soldiers eat overseas, in places like Iraq, Afghanistan. MRE is a meal ready to eat, and it's pretty much, they come with a little steam packet. You got about that much water, and it'll steam it up and get it ready to go and warm it up for you. So as you can see over here, we've got a carbohydrate drink. That's like Gatorade, stuff like French fries, cookies, crackers, cheese dips, salsas. We've got rice, enchiladas. There'll be some spaghetti here pretty soon. And most people don't really think that it's anything that really tastes all that great, but when you're overseas in an environment and you only get about 2 meals a day, it's actually pretty good. And they're loaded with carbs, so that way you can burn off all kinds of energy because you're running around with all kinds of gear on. So it's really good for you and it keeps you moving.
They come from the Vietnam area, and it's really good. I mean, it's just as you can tell, it's made with noodles. There's meatballs, there's cilantro, and there's bean sprouts, and meat.
So it's like a soup?
Yes, very hearty soup, and it's just, you can put chili sauce and mint leaves on it, stuff, and oyster sauce, lemon. So it's pretty good.
Wow. So is this something that's commonly served there?
Yes, very common. It's like I don't know. It's like steak and potatoes of that area.
That's from the Philippines? Is that
Yeah. It's just a brown sugar, coconut, and cassava root. You like mix the ingredients, you wrap it into the banana leaf, and then you boil it for like several hours.
Where's the dish from? Mexico?
And is this something that you've made before?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Okay, so it's like a family recipe.
Yeah, my mom makes it like at least once every 2 weeks.
Really?
Yeah, tacos for dinner and stuff.
So, what class are you in?
Cultural anthropology.
So is this this is used in tacos? I mean,
Yeah,
ingredient you would put in a taco?
Yeah, it's just the tongue, like well, usually I put cabbage in it too, in a tortilla and stuff.
Okay.
And then it's really good. I love it.
Most cultures actually have some kind of sweetbread. This is a basic kind of Americanized version of the English version, but it's the thymus and the pancreas, usually of a calf, sometimes of lambs or full-grown cows. And my lovely partner breaded them and fried them this morning, and they're really delicious, and they have a really nice soft texture. It's actually from the Old English braid, which means organs. So the sweet is an Old English term as opposed to savory, which is like the muscle meat. So sweet is like anything else. It can be the liver. It can be anything else. Yeah, I learned that when I looked it up. But so that's where the name sweetbread comes from.
This is a curry, and it's called a kupon, and it originates from Thailand. And what it has is a yellow and a red curry in there with ginger, garlic, and it's got bamboo and corn. Is what I added corn in there. And then this is just like a little garnish, and it has cabbage, green onion, and a cilantro. So you just throw it all together, and then you put it in with a white rice noodle. And it has a great texture. Sometimes the sauce is a little bit thicker, but I just made like a soup base. So that's what I did with this. So you put the noodles in there, and then you just add a little bit of the cheese. Yeah. And then you just put a little garnish on it, like that. And then you just eat it.
Are you allergic to shellfish? Have you had lobster?
I'll try a leg or something. The cricket tasted like a with a pickled flavor, with a lemony zest. Kind of, I don't know, I really can't describe it, but it's really good. Larvae,
kind of bitter. Wasn't what I was expecting. Like I thought it would be salty. Like I've tasted larvae in the past, but.
Crickets were the best because they tasted like olives. They were like vinegar, like, and they just tasted. They were squishy, so it like squirted, but they were pretty good. The gray ones, the worms, the caterpillars, they're not good because they just pop. But yeah, you should have tried the crickets because they were the best. The legs, I pulled them off and just threw them on the ground because they stick in your teeth. Like the little pieces are just like in your teeth.